Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to teach you to make a very natural MSG at home. What you are looking here is this is called solefish, S-O-L-E, solefish, dried solefish. So normally you can get it from wet market, or I got it actually from a Chinese herbal shop at OUG. So what you do is after you bought it, you can actually dry roast it, or you air fry it. Yeah. Today I'm going to use air fry until it is totally completely fragrant and also crispy. About 10-15 minutes. Then after that we will just blend it into powder like this. Very simple. Let me just quickly show you. So I use my air fryer to air fry the solefish for approximately about 10 to 15 minutes using about 200 degrees Celsius. I'll be flipping it to the other side shortly, probably every few minutes. So after air fry for about 10 to 15 minutes until very dry, I actually take it out and let it rest outside to let it cool down for approximately 5 minutes before I will blend it. If you don't have air fryer, what you can do is you can use a normal wok or pan to dry roast it for about 10-15 minutes or so, maybe even faster, maybe probably less than 10 minutes. You decide, yeah, just don't burn it along the way. And dry roast meaning you don't put any oil, yeah. Okay, this is after resting for several minutes, yeah. So what we do here is you can actually break it into smaller pieces. Then this is actually a coffee blender. You can use any blender you have that can actually blend into powder, yeah. It will only be more crispier after it is cooled down, yeah? So you can do this. Break this into smaller pieces and put it in. Just be careful, do not burn the solefish while you are roasting it. Right? You don't have to add anything. Depending on how dry your solefish is, but look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful powder. Yeah? So add this, you can add this solefish powder into anything, even some any noodles dishes, any veggie dishes. Add this in, it is like a natural MSG, and it will enhance the flavor. Really nice. Yeah, you can get the solefish. It looks like this. I think you can get it from wet market quite easily. I think I actually got it from a Chinese herbal shop. I think so. Okay. I hope you like this very simple but very useful videos from Appa. Solefish powder, right? Natural MSG. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.